There was one of our veterans that, and I definitely we want to get her to tell her story,
Yeah.
but had served multiple tours of Afghanistan and also has sustained some injuries as well. While back at home, having to give up temporary custody of her children while being deployed. And after coming back from serving overseas in a deployment, come back and then her household basically had broken apart.
Yeah.
And so now in a situation, not only financially being able to stabilize her situation to prevent foreclosure, but also going in a direction in reference to her losing her marriage. And so those are some of the situations that our female veterans are facing today, and that we're able with HomeFree-USA, with our ability to do housing counseling, to reach out to our veteran community, serve them, and help stabilize those.
Well, you're doing a phenomenal job. We all want to do better. We all need to do better. And thank you so much, Larry, for everything that you're doing.
Thank you.